You might think AI is coming for your job in the future, but the truth is, it already has. If you've made it this far, keep watching, because the last few jobs on this list might shock you the most. Everyday jobs you didn't know were already replaced by AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a quiet force reshaping industries, changing how we work, and redefining what it means to have a human job. While most people imagine robots taking over factories or driving cars in the distant future, the truth is that AI has already slipped into roles we interact with daily. Some of these changes make life easier, some save businesses money, but they also raise an important question. What happens to the people who used to do these jobs? In this video, we are going to explore something that might surprise you: the everyday jobs that AI has already replaced or is in the process of replacing. Let's take a closer look at the jobs AI has already taken over. You might be surprised to find out how much of your daily life is being run by machines. But before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Customer service agents. If you've ever chatted with a company's support system online or called a helpline and noticed that the responses were a little too perfect, you've probably already interacted with AI. Chatbots and virtual agents have replaced a massive portion of customer service jobs worldwide. These bots are powered by natural language processing, which allows them to understand and respond to customer questions in a way that feels conversational. What makes them attractive to companies is their availability. They don't sleep, take breaks, or call in sick. They can handle thousands of customer queries simultaneously, something no human workforce could achieve. From troubleshooting your Wi-Fi issues to processing your refund, AI is there on the other end, doing it faster and more consistently than a human might. While this makes customer service faster and often cheaper, it has also led to the downsizing of call centers globally, displacing workers in countries where this was once a major source of employment. Cashiers and checkout clerks. Walk into a supermarket today, and chances are you'll see more self-checkout machines than human cashiers. These systems are powered by AI that can scan items, recognize produce through computer vision, process payments, and even use cameras to monitor for theft. Amazon's Just Walk Out stores take this one step further, using AI-powered sensors and cameras to track what shoppers take from shelves and automatically charge them as they leave. No cashiers, no checkout lines. This might feel convenient for customers, but it also signals a massive shift in retail employment. Cashier roles, once one of the most common entry-level jobs, are slowly disappearing in large chains and grocery stores. Delivery drivers. When people think of delivery drivers, they still picture someone dropping off packages at their door, but AI is rapidly changing that too. Companies like Amazon, UPS, and FedEx are investing heavily in autonomous delivery solutions. Self-driving trucks are being tested on highways to transport goods across states. AI-powered delivery robots, those small six-wheeled machines, are already operating in select cities, delivering food or groceries straight to your doorstep. Drone deliveries are no longer just a futuristic concept. They're being rolled out in rural areas where traditional delivery trucks are inefficient. While we still rely heavily on human drivers today, the groundwork is being laid for a future where large portions of delivery services are fully automated, which could eventually impact millions of logistics jobs. Translators and transcribers. AI translation tools are now so good that they can handle everyday translation tasks with impressive accuracy. Businesses use AI to translate documents, websites, and emails instantly, eliminating the need to hire human translators for simple work. Transcription has also been revolutionized. AI software can now take an audio or video file and convert it into text within minutes, with near-perfect accuracy in many languages. Services like Otter.ai or Trent are widely used by journalists, content creators, and corporations, replacing what used to be hours of manual work. Human translators and transcribers are still needed for nuanced work, but AI has eaten away a significant portion of this industry. Data entry clerks. This is one job category almost completely taken over by AI. Machine learning models can scan invoices, receipts, contracts, and other documents, then automatically extract key information and enter it into databases. This has drastically reduced the need for human clerks, who used to spend their days typing numbers into spreadsheets. The benefits for businesses are obvious: faster processing, fewer errors, and lower costs. But for workers, it has meant fewer opportunities for one of the most common entry-level office jobs: bank tellers and loan officers. Banking has gone digital, and AI is leading the way. Once, if you needed to deposit a check, open an account, or apply for a loan, you had to talk to a bank teller or a loan officer during business hours. Today, many of these tasks are handled by mobile apps, online portals, and AI-driven algorithms that are available 24/7. AI now analyzes your financial history, spending patterns, and credit score in seconds to determine whether you qualify for a loan, something that used to take days of paperwork and human review. Advanced fraud detection systems powered by AI monitor transactions in real time, flagging suspicious activity instantly and keeping accounts safer. Chatbots in banking apps answer questions about transactions, fees, or account balances without making customers wait in line. While this is a huge win for efficiency and convenience, it also means fewer people are needed in physical bank branches. Many banks have closed locations or reduced staff, leading to layoffs and shifting the industry toward a more tech-driven workforce. The challenge now is balancing digital convenience with the human touch for complex financial decisions. Copywriters and content creators. You might think writing is safe from automation, but AI is proving that wrong. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai can write blogs, add copy, product descriptions, and even entire marketing campaigns in seconds. These tools are becoming sophisticated enough to mimic specific tones and brand voices, helping companies create large volumes of content quickly. Businesses use AI to schedule and create social media posts, generate video scripts, and even write SEO-optimized website copy. Some platforms can analyze audience data to predict which headlines or ad creatives will perform best, making campaigns more data-driven. Human writers are still crucial for strategy, editing, and infusing creativity, humor, or emotional nuance that AI cannot fully replicate. This shift doesn't just affect professional writers. Students and employees use AI to draft emails, prepare reports, and summarize articles, saving hours of manual work. While it boosts productivity, it also raises questions about originality and the risk of generic, machine-like content dominating the internet. Security guards and surveillance. AI is also transforming security jobs. Smart surveillance cameras can now recognize faces, detect suspicious behavior, and even alert authorities automatically. Some systems use AI to track how crowds move, helping security teams predict potential incidents before they happen. In some airports, AI-powered systems check passports, scan faces, and process travelers much faster than a human officer could. While this improves safety and efficiency, it reduces the need for human guards monitoring every camera feed. Manufacturing and warehouse workers. Factories and warehouses have been ground zero for automation for years, but AI has made robots smarter than ever. They no longer just perform repetitive tasks. They can now make decisions, adapt to changes on the assembly line, and work safely alongside humans. In warehouses, AI manages inventory, directs robots to pick and pack orders, and even predicts which products will be in demand to optimize storage space. This has cut down on human labor needs dramatically, especially in large distribution centers. What this means for the future. AI is no longer a distant technology. It's here, working silently in the background, reshaping industries one job at a time. For businesses, AI is a cost-saving, efficiency-boosting powerhouse. For workers, it's a wake-up call to learn new skills and adapt to a future where machines are partners, not just tools. The key takeaway isn't that AI is bad, it's that change is inevitable. Some jobs will vanish, but new roles will emerge, roles that require managing, programming, and improving these AI systems. The challenge for workers and governments alike will be to ensure that people have access to retraining programs and education so that they can thrive in the AI-powered economy. AI is here to stay. The question isn't whether it will take over jobs, but how we will respond to the transformation it's bringing to our everyday lives. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.